Hey guys, welcome to Couch Potato Get Fit, and I'm taking you guys through a quick upper body workout. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. Now, go ahead and like, share, subscribe, download the link in my bio. Go ahead and share these workouts to your family and friends. All right, let's get started. First, we're gonna start off with some basic push-ups. You got 10 reps. There we go. Now, got 10. Go ahead. We're just gonna walk it out. Now we're just gonna get these arms nice and cut, army style. That's 8. It's just a basic superset, guys. Nine. All right, there we go, guys. That was our first set. So we're gonna go ahead and get some couch dips in. Gonna do 10 reps starting off, okay? Now you wanna get a good dip in, okay? 9, 10. Now, we're gonna superset that with decline push-ups, okay? So beat up the couch. 1, 10 reps, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was our second set. We're doing great, guys. Go ahead and get a 30-second break in. This is a great way to get your chest, your arms, biceps fired up in the morning, okay? So next set, we're actually gonna start up in the plank position. Ten reps, okay? We're gonna go down, down, up, up. Don't forget to switch sides when you go down, down, up, up. Nine, 10. Good job, guys, good job. So now we're gonna superset that with some dips, couch dips. 10 reps. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now guys, that was our quick 5-minute upper body workout for those who might be rushing to get to work or rushing to get to a project or rushing to get somewhere, we just knocked out an upper body workout within 5 minutes that you can do on a daily basis if you want to. If you like the workout you saw today, or any of the workouts or exercises, like, share, download, subscribe. Couch Potato, get fit.